So we'll the grammar part first. So if you see here, no article is there. We have three articles in English language: a, an, and the. Next to article, there is a full stop. So we just need a noun here. And noun, that is vowel. It means any word that starts with A, E, I, O, U. It means sedation ruled out. It was your noun. Fragile is anyways your adjective, but starts with F, ruled out. But any noun that is singular also. Because a or an, a next to a or n, we need to write singular noun, not the plural one. So this starts with vowel, but it has noun with s. You cannot write noun with s. So you have to, without reading anything, with the help of grammar, we got a first answer, that is abstraction. So this is how grammar will, you're able to get it. Article, you guys know, next to article we need noun or adjective plus noun. So here it was just noun, and next to n we always write vowels, and n is next to n we write singular noun, not the plural noun. Next to n and next to a noun with no s, singular noun. Then here for dash reasons. Here if you want to, okay, I'll just decode everything. He is your subject, believes is your verb, that is your subordinate conjunction, if is your subordinate conjunction again, people is your subject, choose is your verb, and investment object, another object joined with the help of for. Instead of is your, joining the other object with the help of instead of. And, because of this was your subordinate subject verb object. Now this is your subject, verb, and other things are your object. And this is your extra information. Very tricky sentence formation, but it's correct. This subordinate we are using to join this whole sentence, which has dependent and independent clause both. Now, object can be noun or adjective, so this is your noun with s, reasons. Before noun, we write only adjective. Now, superficial is your adjective. Uncountable, countable noun, uncountable noun, countable stuff. Adjective, general public, general interest. Adjective, authentic food. Adjective. So there is no help from the grammar. We need to understand what they have written. Here, it's collocation based. They are more likely to be dash away. What away? Scared away, put away, give away, took away. We'll come back to this one. We have to understand what they're saying. Then it will start making sense to us. Buffet is a person, name of the person. We need a verb here. And this is subject. Person is singular, so verb with s we need. So you can concentrate. Yes, verb with s. Okay. You can focus. Okay, verb on its. Okay, sorry. I think then you guys have got correct. Okay, sorry. Most of you got correct answer. So sorry, I just thought focus is there. No problem. Yeah, so I think most of you got the last one correct. Okay. Sorry, it's my bad. I just got a little confused. So focus is verb on its own form. Verb with no s, it means verb on its own form. Stance is verb with s, and you can maintain something verb on its own form. So you need to rule this two out. So I think AB you got all correct, and also Sumit all correct. And Shubhangi all correct. Vinesh, no, not Vinesh. Yeah, so some of you got all correct. Then, okay. So it means we have two options to choose from because this is a person, singular. We need verb with us. So we have two options to choose from. Either is concentrates or stands. So we will understand. We have to understand what they have written. For Buffett, this is the name of the person. Okay, who is very good with stocks. Okay, but anyways, if you are not aware of it, no problem. But it will make sense when you start reading up. So for this person, for Buffett, stocks are in dash. Stocks are an abstraction. You guys know the abstraction. Imaginary, it's not in the physical form, abstraction. The stocks are an, for him, for this person, stocks are an abstraction. He doesn't think, can you guys please mute from your end? Because a lot of noise is coming out from your end. I don't know, just mute all of you, just mute from your end. So stocks are an abstraction. He doesn't think in terms of market theories. For this person, stocks are He doesn't think in terms of market theories, microeconomic concepts just start making sense. Okay, imagine or start making sense. He does not think in terms of market theories, microeconomic concept, or sector trends. Rather, instead of that, he makes investment decisions based only on how a business operates. Instead of going for these things, he prefers to, he takes his decision, he makes his decision based on how a business operates. He believes that if people choose an investment for dash reasons instead of business fundamentals, they are most likely to be dash away at the first sign of trouble, in all likelihood losing money in the process. So what he believes, if people choose an investment for dash reasons, what reason? Most people are just, most people take it like think in terms of market theories, microeconomics, concepts and sector trend. If people are like investing in bitcoins, everyone is going for it, kind of those things. So those can be what reason? Uncountable. We cannot count the reason. It's not making sense. General reasons, authentic. It's not, it's about reliable. Authentic is not matching with this context. General reasons or superficial reasons. General is not making sense. Superficial is making sense. Market really, because they have given you supporting ideas on this. So you can say superficial reasons. Superficial reasons can be market theories. It can be market theory, microeconomic concepts, or sector trends. It cannot be the general reason. Okay, it's not making sense. Instead of business fundamentals, and what he does is he just check how business operates. That is, we should, like, he's saying that people should go, like, what he prefers is knowing the business fundamentals. If people are choosing, like, he believes if people choose an investment for superficial reasons, no, instead of business fundamentals, they are most likely to be dashed away at the first sign of trouble. When there is a trouble, are you going to take away? Took away is take away. You can take away food from a restaurant. You can instead dining there. You can dine there or just take away. You can give away your stuff. If you have a lot of clothes, you can give away. So you can give away at the first sign of trouble. No, if there is a trouble, you can put away. You can put away the dustbin, somewhere else. If it's in front of the door, like, something like that. You can scared away. Okay, if there is a trouble, people will get scared. It makes sense. So they are, if they are going looking for superficial reasons, no, they are most likely to be scared away at the first sign of trouble, in all likelihood losing money in the process, and they will end up losing money. Buffett dash on learning. Okay, Buffett stands on learning. Can someone stands on learning? This can stand like this. That is, that is stands for, that is, you know stands for is, when we talk about any definition or something, no, it makes sense. It stands for, and on is not making sense. Stands for is a collocation. We always write stands for. This stands for this stands for this. So stands for is not, stands on is not making sense. So he focuses on makes sense, but this person is singular. So concentrate and focus, two different words with same meaning, no. So concentrate, always read till end. Buffett concentrates on learning. Focus on and concentrates on, both are making sense with on. Learning all he can about the business under consideration, and focusing on three main areas. Focusing is the evidence to log the concentrates. Clear, guys? Let me know if this one is clear as well.
Hina, instead of
Yes.
focus, had it been
Mm-hmm.
focuses, Focusses.
Yeah, it can be focuses, no issues. It's
Can
correct
be, no?
grammatically. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Focuses is like, verb with s. How about others? Is it clear to all of you
Hi, ma'am.
guys? Yes. Hi.
Ma'am, actually got confused in superficial or general. Actually, I
Mm-hmm.
can't understand the difference, Actually, I
Okay.
don't know the meaning of a superficial, but I searched,
Uh-huh.
then I typed the answer. But still, I
Okay,
got
okay.
confused in those options.
Yeah, no worries. I'll tell you. General, no. General, when it comes to, very general reasons, like, like
Mm-hmm.
how should I, here, no, they have said Yeah, here no, they have stated for Buffett, no, stocks are an abstraction.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Like, he does not think in terms of market theories, microeconomics concept, or sector trends. Rather, he makes investment decision based on how a business operates. He believes that people choose in an investment for superficial reasons. Like, superficial reasons, like, just overall reason. Instead of going basic fundamental, instead of learning the basic business, like, if for example, he's buying a stock of Reliance. Okay. So, if everyone is buying for Reliance, no, and he is going for the same reason, like someone is going, that is a superficial reason. Okay. General, it's not making sense here because, like, general, we can talk about general reasons. Yeah, if people choose an investment for general reasons are not making sense. Instead of, should be comparable.
Okay.
Opposite
Okay.
of general is business fundamentals is not the, opposite
General
of general.
reasons. Okay.
Yeah, that
Okay.
was another.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
No